Oh, baby, it's 70s Chevelle Super Sport time. 396, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, factory gauges, tilt wheel, bucket seats, console, deluxe wheel, AM FM radio. This thing's loaded up, dialed in, serviced, ready to go. California car, appears to have really nice clean metal, ground up restored. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information. Take your time and study over 100 pictures top to bottom. That's also where you will find a price tag along with the finance option on every car we have for sale. That's all at volocars.com. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on that bell icon, you'll be notified when the videos are posted. And we've got great, exciting cars coming up. For right now, though, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the floors appear to be all original, rust-free. I didn't see patches or rot or splices. Nice, clean, original floors. This has the F41 suspension. That includes front and rear sway bars, boxed rear control arms, and the front end does look like it's been gone through. A lot of fairly fresh components, in the steering and suspension. The fuel tank has been replaced. The tank, the sending unit, the straps, that looks pretty new. Dual exhaust system with the correct cowbell SS tips coming out the back. I think they're a Flowmaster muffler. Sounds awesome. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Really sounds good. It has disc brakes in front, drum in back. All looks proper. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. Oh, what am I missing? You look up under the motor, nice and clean. The fuel pump, the mounts, the starter, all that looks nice and clean. It's all like factory type components. Turbo 400, that's the heavy duty automatic transmission. It has its original 331 posi rear end dated to this car. So underneath the car is clean, proper, functional, real nice underside. So let's check out the body. I just realized I don't have my glasses on. Let me put them on so I don't miss anything. I have no idea why they're even off. So it has a nice hood. This fits real nice. This can be a problem area getting this all lined up, but it fits real good on this car. It has the hood pins. Fender's real nice, straight, clean. There's a chip right there in the paint. This is all nice, clean, smooth metal down here. Smooth all along here, no bubbles, no blisters, no rust, no damage. Lines up real nice. Shuts real nice. The roof is nice and straight coming down the sail panel. All nice, clean metal. Down here, smooth, no rust, no damage. Back here, the quarters, the trunk lid, no rust, no damage. This all lines up real nice and square. Trunk lid sits up a little bit. I don't know if that can be sucked down anymore, but it just sits up a little high. Straight, by the way, too. Everything I'm seeing looks real nice and straight. This is all straight. Oh, we got a dent from the inside out. I bet our dent guy can straighten that out, but the paint is a little cracked there. Something from the inside dented it outward. All nice and clean and straight. No rust, no bubbles. Lines up real good. So the body looks to be in really nice shape. Color is beautiful. Forest green. It's a deep, dark, metallic green. The white really makes it pop. Everyone's talking about it. I've heard several comments about the colors that people really like it. One, it's different. Different's not always good, but in this case, I think it is. It looks really sharp. Painted on stripes, you don't even feel them. They are the proper dimensions. Now, overall, the paint presents like a show car. But there's a touch up here. There's a little nick there. Minor imperfections, whether it's dust in the paint or minor imperfection here and there. Now that I'm looking for them specifically, I find little stuff. But standing here looking at the car, it's all insignificant. Maybe some little chips down here, some rock chips along the bottom, small ones. The metal flake is laid out evenly, very glossy clear coat. It's all one color. It's not mismatched anywhere. Windshield looks crystal clear, although there is a tiny chip right there. The stainless trim probably been replaced. It's all shiny. Couple little dimples. Whoever tapped it on left some little dents. Emblem is shiny. Bumpers, re-chromes, got the SS pad, new tail lights. The rear window is really clear. Probably say that's been replaced because it's crystal clear. Moldings are nice. The wheels, somebody has masked them off and respray painted them, so they look nice. Got some good tires. Window seals are replaced. The weather strips are replaced. Up front, the bumper, the grille, the bezels, lenses, all that looks really good up front. So that's the outside. Let's open it up, see what it's like inside. All right, let's see what we got in the trunk. Well, for starters, under the trunk lid is painted glossy. It's got the stickers. The jam is painted glossy. It has a new weather strip. Inside the trunk compartment's clean metal with the spatter finish paint, and it looks complete. We have the whole jack assembly here. It looks like it's probably a new reproduction. Got a nice SS wheel with a matching tire. So all this should be bolted down properly before we get another dent in the quarter panel. So if you are the one buying the car, remind the salesman to have the guys put the jack assembly back together. Make sure that got done. But the trunk compartment is clean and complete. So the jams are painted nice. Weather strips are replaced. The interior looks all new. Look at the pearl white interior and the armrest and the window cranks and the chrome trim. It's all beautiful. The dash looks like it's new as well. This whole instrument panel, factory tachometer and the gauges. The clock is ticking. The dash pad is excellent. It has an AM/FM stereo that actually works well. I was turning the knob and getting all sorts of stations. New vents, new heater control panel. Now it's an FM stereo, which means it comes with a speaker in each corner. An AM radio would just have one in the middle. So that's the proper dash pad for this radio. We have an owner's manual in here in the pouch. Nice white kick panels, new carpet, correct center console with the horseshoe shifter or a staple shifter. Other than a couple light minor scratches, it all looks real good. Tilt deluxe wheel. This is new. The seats are rebuilt. See the nice firm cushions. See how nice the seat covers fit. Headrests look real nice. The trim on the back of the seat looks real nice. The chrome button looks like that's original. So the back seat's reupholstered, side panels replaced, has original set of seat belts, has the proper mesh tray in the back. Headliner's in real good shape, the perforated white headliner, dome light works, matching visors, the mirror looks new. So really a very nice interior. So the motor is a 1970 396 motor. It's been rebuilt. It sounds like it's got a little upgraded cam. It does have a upgraded Edelbrock intake with a dual feed Holley carb. HEI distributor hiding in the back. But it's dressed up to look original. The air cleaner and valve covers, original exhaust manifolds. It is a factory air-conditioned car. I see some new parts. I see a new heater control valve. They have spring clamp battery cables on the battery. The shroud, clutch fan, all looks proper. You got a GM hose with the right clamps, all the hoses it looks like. Power steering, factory air conditioning, power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. The squirter's hooked up. Under Under the hood is painted, all the metal's painted real nice, and has the hood insulation. It's a pretty sharp looking engine compartment. I think that sounds nice. Got a nice sounding idle. Listen to this. Pretty cool. Car seems to be very functional. The tachometer, gas gauge is working. The original AM/FM radio works, picking up plenty of stations, and even the clock is ticking. That's a posse. So each car goes through our new mechanic shop for inspection. They get test driven, put on a lift, checked out. This one passed with flying colors. I just checked the work order. We spent $135 on it, which is very unusual. So that means it came in a really good car. And even the clock was working. So yeah, beautiful 70 Chevelle, highly optioned, service, ready to go, ready to be enjoyed. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman about any questions you have left. They can help deliver it. They can help finance it at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell icon. We've got cool cars coming even this week. Thanks for watching.